Hello, I welcome you all. Thank you for joining with me once again in my video. Today you are going to see the stitching part of my kurta from the old saree. Before that, if you want to see this video in Tamil, I have another YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe that channel. The link is in the description box. I have set the marking and cutting in my previous video. Please check that too. The link is in the description box. Okay, let's start our stitching part. First, I start by attaching both lining and the main fabric of the bodies. After attaching lining and main cloth, I am finishing the neckline. For neckline, I am using bias tape. I took a cloth and marked 1.5 inch width and cut crosswise. First, I am stitching for the front neck. I am keeping the right side of the bias tape on the right side of the neck and I am stitching now. Then I folded the bias tape inside the cloth and again I made a stitch. Similarly, I attached the back neck also. Now I am stitching the shoulders. I kept the right sides together to make it stronger. I am giving 2 to 3 extra stitches. I am overlocking now. After finishing both the shoulders, give the final stitch around the neck. And iron it. This is how it looks now. I got a perfect and simple neckline. I am going to stitch the sleeves now. First, I am arranging the sleeves. I am making sure which sleeve goes to which armhole. Then I kept the right sides together and I stitched the sleeves. Then I marked all the markings again and I stitched the front and back bodies together. This is how it looks now. I am stitching the cullies. First I took 2 pieces of cullies and kept the right sides together and I joined it. And I continued same process for all the cullies and also I overlocked it. Then I measured and adjusted the waist round measurement and stitched the sides of the skirt. Similarly, I stitched the lining skirt also. Now I have 2 skirts, lining and the main. Now I am inserting the lining skirt inside the main skirt, right sides facing together. And I stitched both the skirts together at the top side. Now I am giving small cuts all around the waist like this and I turn the lining outside. This is how it looks now. I am giving a top stitch. Again I marked the center. Now I am giving the bottom stitch. As this is a fully flat skirt, if we give as usual double folded stitch, then it will be very difficult to get the perfect finishing. So for that, fold like this and give small stitches all over the skirt at the bottom side. Then double fold as usual and stitch like this. Give small stitches all around the skirt. Then the last and final step, stitching together the bodies and the skirt part. For that, I am keeping the right sides of the bodies and the right sides of the skirt together. I am pinning now. I am stitching it together. I gave 2 to 3 extra stitches for extra strong. And also I attached the lace at the bottom of the skirt and at the waistline, which gives the whole dress a stylish look. So that's it. I will meet you soon in my next video. Till then, stay tuned with me and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching once again. Take care and bye bye.